Kao i svake godine u Visoku nam dolaze volonteri iz cijelog svijeta, iz različitih zemalja i kultura, povezani zajedničkim interesom za arheologiju, historiju i istraživanje Bosanske doline i Piramida. Naša volonterska sezona u suštini počinje početkom juna, traje do polovine oktobra. Tokom tog perioda, zajedno sa našim uposlenicima, stručnim saradnicima i volonterima, realizujemo arheološka istraživanja i radove na terenu. Ove godine poseban fokus stavljamo na nastavak sistematskih istraživanja tunela Ravne 6, gdje nastavljamo sa iskopavanjima, sa dokumentovanjem nalaza i proširivanjem saznanja o kompletnom kompleksu. Pored toga radit ćemo i na unapređenju postojeće infrastrukture, također na edukaciji volontera, te imat ćemo razna i predavanja, kako stručnjaka, tako i različite vrste radionica. Posebno nas raduje činjenica da projekat iz godine u godinu okuplja ljude iz svih krajeva svijeta koji svojim radom, svojim znanjem i entuzijazmom doprinose zapravo istraživanjima, ali i promociji kulturno-historijskog nasljeđa Bosne i Hercegovine. Sezona počinje od početka juna, 1. juna, traje do polovine oktobra, kako i rekoh. Lokacije na kojima mi radimo ove godine su tuneli Ravne 3, Ravne 4, Ravne 5 i Ravne 6, a kao što rekoh, naglasak i naš najveći prioritet ove godine će biti na sistematskom istraživanju, nastavku sistematskog istraživanja tunela Ravne 6. Što se tiče volontera, mi već imamo zaprimljenih nekoliko stotina prijava. I kao što rekoh, to su ljudi iz različitih zemalja i sa različitih kontinenata, također to je jako bitno da istaknem.
Yeah, I heard it from my friend in US, and he volunteered here, and I got really excited about it. Felt a calling to come here from US, North Carolina. So yeah, it's very interesting. I would just watch documentaries, and it's very interesting. I've never been to a place like that. And just the idea of coming to a place that's open to public and also open to a lot of scientists and participating in this kind of it's energetically, I felt drawn to it. That's also working with volunteering, working with other people like that is it's very exciting. Yeah, I heard about it. Yeah, and it's been kind of sombering to see. It's still there, and you can see the holes in the buildings. But at the same time, there's a lot of life, and place feels like there's a lot of there's a lot of aliveness to people and excitement, and just energy just feels quite vibrant in Sarajevo and here in Visoka. It's I'm glad I'm here.
Well, my name is Rijs. I'm from Holland, and 7 years ago I was in Bosnia at this place to help with the excavation, because it's an interesting project. I don't exactly know how I came across the fact that there were pyramids in Bosnia, so I wanted to know what is this pyramids about, because there's only pyramids in Egypt. And so then I come to Bosnia because my interest is mysterious things. Yeah, I really like Bosnia. It's a beautiful country, and the people there are really friendly. They ask they like to ask, come inside, have coffee with us, and they want to share their life a bit with strangers from Europe like me. That's how I see it. And there's also one spot. It's on the Pyramida of Sonka, and to me it feels really beautiful. It's quiet. It's a beautiful panorama. It gives me. I would like to live there on that spot. So beautiful it is for me. I don't know how my life will evolve. At the moment, I just quit working because I don't like the way my country is organized and has the organization for the future for us. So I just stopped everything in Holland. I started to travel. So I don't know where I will end up. I would like to live in Italy.